Hi, I am Louise Malone of Busy Bee Blossom. I create and sell botanical skincare and candles with simple quality ingredients. My affordable products are for people who appreciate transparency and no nasties in their skincare. My Sorbax candles are elegant and hand poured in a range of blossom scents. I've just completed Kate's course, The Recipe for SEO Success. It has been a great learning experience for me. I've found it to be informative and engaging. From each module, I've learned something new. There's great course notes, videos, checklists, templates, and in every module. The structure of the course is tried and tested by many happy students and is continually improving. The Facebook group and Zoom calls gave a personal connection with Kate and the participants. The course covered so many learnings that were new to me. Some of the course content has been very challenging but very worthwhile to work through. Kate has also pointed out tools to try which are amazingly helpful. I'll be able to reference the course now and later too, as it's there to access. I have created a very long to-do list by completing Kate's course. Prior to the course, I had no understanding of where to start and how to make my website more Google friendly. It's also given me the confidence to read and find out more about the ever-changing world of SEO. I highly recommend Kate's course, The Recipe for SEO Success.